In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up missed call text back on GoHighLevel. So to do this, first you just want to go and open up GoHighLevel and switch to the sub account that you want to set this up for. So for example, I'll use this one right here. From there, you want to head over into settings in the bottom left and first go to phone numbers here and just make sure that you have a phone number connected. So if you don't know how to do this, I have created a video on this and I'll link it down in the description. So in that video, I'll show you how to add a phone number into GoHighLevel. From there, after you have a phone number set up, go to additional settings at the top here. And now here go to voicemail and missed call text back. From here, you can set up your voicemail settings and your missed call text back. So here, just make sure it's enabled. So click enabled missed call text back, make sure it is turned on. And then here, select the message. So you have the default. Hi, this is the location name. I saw that we missed your call. How can I help? If you click customize, you can also customize what this message looks like. So after you've customized the message right here, or you can just keep it to the default as well, you will then be sending automated messages when you miss a phone call from a person. So now you know how to set up missed call text back on GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.